This is how you're going to add a Google login to your Base44 app. First, you're going to head over to the app where you want to add your Google login. And then from here, you're just going to go to this top toolbar right here and then click on the dashboard tab. Now, from the dashboard tab, you're just going to head to settings. And then from the settings section, you're going to click on authentication. Now, from the authentication section, you're just going to enable Google authentication right here. You're going to make sure that you toggle this on. However, if you really want to use authentication from the Google console, you must have upgrade first. Now, what you're going to do is you can just click on update right here, and that's it. You just have to provide your Google Client ID and secret key obtained from the Google Cloud Console if asked from you. Now, once you open your mobile app, you will be able to see the login button. So we can just click on preview right here, and then we're just gonna hit on publish, and then we're going to click on publish app right here, and then you will be able to see a preview of your page. Now, from the preview, you will be able to see the Google login. So we're just going to wait for this page to load so that I can show you how it's going to look like. So as you can see, you can just click on continue with Google right here, and then you can log in with your Google account. And that is how you're going to add Google login to your Base44 app. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.